Okay, more tapping exercises. Okay, this time on the top strings. It's a little different than before when we went over. Okay, and you're gonna go on this top string on the 7th. Okay, and you're gonna be tapping on the 15 primarily, which is right here. Again, you're controlling the sound of the other strings so it doesn't hit any other strings and mess up your playing. Okay, so then we're gonna move it down to the 8th and then the 9th. And then we're just simply going to go move it up to the 8th right there. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the first part, which is this one. Okay, then we're going to move it down to the other string. Okay, staying on the 15th. Now we're going to bring it down another string. And then just move it down 1 fret. Okay, one more time. Okay, and you're just going to practice that until you get it nice and smooth and clean. Okay, if you'd like some tab on this, let me know in the comments. If you want some more help, or if you just want a more detailed explanation, let me know, and I'll be happy to make another video for you. All right, see you in the next one.